Hello friend, this is Sanjay Kumar, founder and creator of SelectorsHub. What is the pricing of TestCase Studio Pro? Let me tell you guys, this is almost free. Don't worry about that this is pro, then it will be like, oh my god, you will have to pay a lot and something like that. No, it's almost free with the kind of features and innovation has gone into it. You will feel like this is almost free. Just $2.5 per month. I mean, just $30. So not even a t-shirt cost. So let me show you guys how you can get started and how you can take the plan. So if you want to check out like all those plans here, just go to SelectorsHub website. Under Pro plans, here you can see TestCase Studio Pro, and there you can check out the premium plans. So if you want to take it as an individual, you can check out here. If you want to take it for a business or like for a team, then here are the plans. You can check out all the features and comparison here. So I will highly recommend that in place of going individual, take the business plan for your whole team. If you are an individual, then ask your manager or your company to take the business plan so that it will be easy. And for company, it is just nothing, trust me, like it's just peanuts, very cheap, very cheap, almost free. So here, suppose if you want to take, before your company take the like business plan for of the TestCase Studio Pro, you guys can take a premium for an individual with a free trial. So you can take a 1 week free trial from here. So suppose you want to take this one. So here you see that this is just $2.5. I will highly recommend that you go for the annual plans, which is very cheap. And that's where you can compare, and you can check out this tutorial here, that how you can get started. After taking this subscription plan, you have to just install the TestCase Studio Pro in your browser and log in, and that's get going. So it's very simple, very easy to get started with the TestCase Studio Pro, and trust me, this will save a huge amount of time for you. If you have any question, anything you want to ask, feel free to connect with me here on the live chat or on the Slack channel. Here you can find it under contact us. You will find all those things here, and this will be really helpful for you guys. Trust me, and I'm always here to help you. If you have any question, any suggestion, any feedback, please let me know in the comment section, and please give it a try. Take a free trial, and this will really help you. With that, thank you so much.